DeGiulio is right now out in Canton, and she has the very latest on the damage out there. Good morning, Kim.
Good morning, Paul. Well, we're certainly feeling the wind out here. I'm in Plymouth Township right now, where last night the winds swept the area. Very strong winds causing a lot of damage. Let me show you some of the damage. I'm in the Bradbury condo complex right now. Now, this tree behind me here, this is a large pine tree that is in the apartment complex next door to this condo complex. As you can see, this tree was completely ripped out from the ground, roots and all, destroying this fence. I just spoke to one of the residents in the Bradbury condo complex, and she said that this isn't the only tree. A couple of other trees are around the complex that have fallen as well. Take a look at some more damage last night. Now, this is a look at what the scene looked like last night after those strong winds swept the area. Now, the National Weather Service today will be determining if, in fact, a tornado did pass by this area, the Canton area and the Plymouth area. As I said, right now, I am in Plymouth Township. Now, if you do live in this area and you come across any of the damage that was done yesterday, police are advising that you stay away from it so you don't get hurt. And, of course, we're hearing about power outages this morning. So if you do come across any problems like traffic lights, be sure to treat it as a four-way stop. We're also learning that Lily Road in Canton is closed right now due to another fallen tree because of the storms yesterday. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that right here on Local 4. Reporting live in Plymouth Township, this is Kim DeGiulio, Local 4 News Today.